Hey everybody, it's Dr. Andy from Open Space Healing, and today we're going over one of the easiest ways to detox your body with our favorite detox bath recipe. At Open Space, we know that it's very important to regularly, deeply rest and also detox to maintain optimal health. We also know that with our current busy schedules, never-ending to-do lists and juggling family and friends and work, it's really hard to actually carve out that time to give ourselves the self-care that we need. We also know that if you don't become a master of self-care and actually regularly carve out that time, then every single facet of your life will suffer. Welcome to one of our favorite easy health hacks at Open Space, a detox bath. Now, as the weather changes and it starts to get a little bit colder, we like to indulge ourselves in a nice hot detox bath regularly, multiple times throughout the week. And this is really one of our secret weapons that we really think promotes our health and helps us stay in peak performance. Not only do detox baths help to detoxify our body, they also maximize our relaxation levels. What are detox baths? So traditional cultures have been using detox or cleansing baths for thousands of years. The Egyptians, Romans, the Turkish, the Japanese cultures, they all revered hot baths as a part of any healthy regime. Now, toxins are poisonous substances that negatively impact our body, and we are exposed to them throughout our environment. Especially with the rise of the Industrial Revolution, we're exposed to more and more of them every single year. Some common sources that you want to think about when you're researching toxins are what you're breathing, so air pollution, what you're putting on your skin, so makeup and cleaning, household products, also what you're ingesting, so processed foods, and also the quality of your water. Thank you, body. It is constantly detoxifying for us throughout the day, through our digestive system, through our skin, through our breath. So this is all controlled by our brain and our immune system and our liver. So we have a lot to be grateful for. However, we can also help this process, and the more ways that we can reduce our toxic load and help our body to eliminate toxins, the better. If our toxic load is really high, then that will have serious health implications and also is going to affect our quality of life, and we'll feel it on a daily basis. While there are many different ways to detox, the most simple, gentle, easiest and affordable way to do it that we have found is with a detox bath. And not only is it detoxifying your body, it's also helping to rest your mind and create that deep rest and nurturing that we need in our busy, hectic lives. Some contraindications and tips for your detox bath. If you are pregnant or if you have any serious health issue, then please obviously consult your primary health provider before starting any detox bath. Also, if you are feeling dehydrated, make sure you drink a lot of fluid before and after your detox bath. One really great tip that we would like to share with you is dry body brushing. So before getting into your detox bath, using a loofah or a dry brush to gently exfoliate your skin all over your body before hopping into the bath. And this will help to maximize the detoxification effect. How do you take a detox bath? Well, run the water as hot as your body can stand. And this will help to maximize the circulation in your body and the detoxifying effect. One thing to note is because our water is treated with chlorine to kill harmful bacteria, when it is heated and you're soaking in this water that has chlorine in it, you want to reduce the amount of chlorine as much as possible. And this is because chlorine, when it is mixed and heated with organic compounds, then it will create compounds called trihalomethane. One of the most common trihalomethane is chloroform, and we know that chloroform is a known carcinogen. So if you can put a mains filter on your water to reduce the amount of chlorine, there's a vast array of other options out there for you to look at to reduce the chlorine level in your water. When you start your detox baths, start with a shorter amount of time, so like 15 to 20 minutes. See how your body reacts, make sure that there's no adverse effects, and then gently increase the amount of time that you're bathing. We like to bathe for at least 30-40 minutes, and ideally up to 60 minutes is great. Start your detox baths with 1 bath a week, and then as your body starts to get used to them and you notice the benefits, then you can increase them to 2 to 3 times a week. For this detox bath recipe, you will need magnesium chloride flakes or Epsom salts, ideally magnesium chloride, but if you can't get it, Epsom salts are at most of the supermarkets. Also, you'll be needing bicarb soda, preferably aluminium free, and bentonite clay, and your favorite essential oils. So we prefer lavender. Magnesium chloride and sulfate have been proven to really be well absorbed into the skin, so they're an ideal ingredient in a detox bath. Magnesium is involved in over 300 different enzyme reactions in the body and will help with any muscle cramping or fatigue or tension in the body. So if you're suffering with poor sleep or headaches or cramping, magnesium is an excellent mineral to add to the bath. Baking soda is another really affordable common household ingredient that most people have in the home, and it has a really powerful detoxifying effect on the body, especially from radiation exposure, and also it's really alkalizing, so great for any type of inflammation. It also helps to open up all of the pores in the skin for a really deep clean. Bentonite clay is a clay that is made from the ash of volcanoes, and it has a really strong pulling effect of getting toxins out of the body, especially because of the negative ions in the clay. So it's a great addition to your bath. And if you don't have a bathtub at home, don't despair. Always just ask a friend if you can use their bathtub. And if you don't have any close friends that have a bathtub, then just get a tub and do yourself a favor and put your feet in it and enjoy the relaxing benefits for your feet. This has been Dr. Andy from Open Space Healing. Thank you so much for being here with us to help us share the message and detoxify the world even more. Happy bathing, and bye for now. Whichever you can get your hands on into. Okay. Yeah, great bloopers.